Streaming today is not just about watching shows. It is about speed, ease, and having everything in one place. But here is the truth. Not every streaming device gives a smooth experience. Some lag, some feel outdated, and some just make things harder than they should be. That is why choosing the best streaming device matters more than ever. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5 Best Roku Premiere. If you want a simple and affordable upgrade, this device feels like a solid start. The Roku Premiere gives you access to a wide range of streaming apps and free content. I noticed it works well for people who just want something easy without extra setup stress. The streaming quality is good, especially with 4K support, and the interface is clean. It does not feel complicated. That is a big plus for beginners. Easy setup process makes it great for first-time users. Strong app support includes most popular platforms. Affordable price point fits tight budgets. However, the remote feels basic. There is no voice control built in, which some users in the United States may expect today. Also, performance can feel a bit slow if you switch apps often. Overall, it is a good entry option, but not the fastest. Number 4 Best Total Mount for Roku Ultra. This is not a streaming device, but it solves a common problem: keeping your setup clean. If you hate messy cables or devices lying around, this mount helps a lot. I found it useful for organizing space behind the TV. It keeps your Roku Ultra secure and out of sight. That makes your living room look more neat. Simple installation design saves time and effort. Universal compatibility works with all Roku Ultra models. Clean cable management improves setup appearance. For users in smaller apartments or wall-mounted TVs in the United States, this kind of accessory adds real value. Still, it only works with Roku Ultra, so it is not for everyone. But if you already own one, this feels like a smart add-on. Number 3 Best Roku Streaming Stick HD. This one is great if you want something compact and easy to carry. I like how small it is. You can plug it into any TV and start streaming quickly. The performance is smooth for full high-definition content. It also supports voice control, which makes searching easier. Portable stick design fits easily behind any TV. Voice remote control makes navigation faster. Wide app availability covers all major platforms. For people who travel often or move between rooms, this device is very handy. It works well with smart home systems too, which is popular in many homes across the United States. The downside is that it does not support 4K streaming. So if you want top quality visuals, you may need to look higher. Number 2 Best Roku Ultra. This is where things start to feel premium. The Roku Ultra is fast, powerful, and built for serious streaming. I noticed the speed right away. Apps open quickly, and there is almost no lag. It also supports both wireless and wired internet, which is great for stable streaming. High-speed performance keeps everything smooth. Ethernet connectivity option improves stability. Advanced audio support enhances sound quality. The remote is another highlight. It is rechargeable and has a lost finder feature, which is very useful. For users in the United States who stream in high quality or use home theater setups, this device fits perfectly. The only drawback is the price. It is higher than basic models, but the performance makes up for it. Number 1 Best Pick Google TV Streamer 4K. This is the top choice for a reason. It brings everything together in one place with a smart and modern experience. What stood out to me is how personalized it feels. It shows content based on your viewing habits, so you spend less time searching. Personalized content recommendations improve user experience. For high dynamic range, streaming delivers sharp visuals. Smart home control integration adds extra convenience. The interface feels smooth and organized. You can access multiple apps from one screen, which saves time. This is especially useful for households in the United States, where people use many streaming services. It also comes with good storage, so it handles apps better than many competitors. The only thing to note is that you may need to buy an HDMI cable separately. But overall, it delivers the best balance of performance, features, and ease of use. Final verdict. If you want the best streaming device, the Google TV Streamer 4K is the clear winner. It offers smooth performance, smart features, and a personalized experience that makes daily use simple and enjoyable. For those who want a powerful but slightly more affordable option, the Roku Ultra is a great second choice, especially for fast streaming and stable connection. Both options stand out in different ways, so your choice depends on your needs. Check the description links to see current prices and find the one that fits your setup best.